morning, my lovelies. If you're seeing me like this, it's usually because I'm vlogging. And I'm vlogging today because I'm getting my hair done. This is in dire need of Caitlin and her magic. All right, moving on, I'm gonna do my skincare quickly. I'm gonna first apply some REN Toner. This is the Glow Tonic, it's incredible. It gives the skin such an incredible glow. It's just so good. This is what it looks like. And I'll sometimes either use just my hands or a cotton pad. I'm just gonna use a round cotton pad right now. So how is everybody doing? What's new? All right, so next I am going to take a vitamin C serum. Actually, I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit. Alright, what am I doing for makeup today? Alright, so for the base, very simple, taking my Lancome, the Ultra Longwear Makeup Sticks. All right, done with the makeup. Let's look at the hair, brush it out. All right, I'm ready to go. I gotta go get dressed and then I'm gonna go pick up my sister, Karina. I'm so excited. I have Andre taking the before shot of my hair. It just looks like it was air dried because I slept on it, so it's a little crazy looking, but you can see the full before, color and cut.
Ooh, what's up?
I'm trying to do a turnaround.
So, see some nice definition.
Guess what, you guys? Cutting my hair today. We're chopping it off. Probably like this short. It's
Yep.
happening. It's happening. And I did it till Andre. This lighting is so bad, but it's working. It is. Hi, Karina. So we are actually, what we're first doing is we're highlighting the hair, pretty much the entire head. The last two visits I only did partial highlights, so basically towards the top and a little bit on the sides and then a little bit on the very bottom, just because I do wear my hair up. So now she's highlighting and then I think we have a little bit left, and then I'm not sure what we're doing next, but basically right now we're highlighting the hair and then I think we are going to tone it and then do the cut. I'm excited for the cut, so excited. So we just washed my hair and then she's finishing Karina's hair and then we are going to put the gloss on my hair and then get a haircut. Okay. Oh yeah.
So you kind of see like, the little highlight stripies.
So we're doing a root, what is it called? Roots?
Is it root tap or root smudge?
They're not as harsh as it grows out, right?
Yes. It's a lot more subtle.
Karina's just brewing right now.
Brewing?
Yeah, brewing. She has her root smudge. I think that's what that is right
Wait,
there.
that sounds brewing and root smudge does not sound good.
We're both doing drastic changes today.
Yeah.
Chopping my hair off, and she's going pink.
I wasn't planning on it, but I didn't want all the attention to be on her.
Oh my goodness.
What?
That looks like ketchup. Karina, are you ready for this?
No.
I don't think you are. Wow, look at
No
that.
turning back now. Alright. We're getting to the good part.
Well, we're not cutting yet, right? We're just kind of prepping and then
And you gotta build it up, you know?
nothing happens. I was just kidding.
Clickbait.
I mean, I basically want just something
good.
super blunt.
Okay.
Like no texture,
No
like
layers?
there's no layers. Like the very first haircut, I want to see how I like it, and then I think I might want to texturize like the ends a little bit, just to see how like the thickness, because I do have pretty much no layers in my hair right now, so I do want to like completely as blunt as possible.
Alright, let's see the inspiration picture.
It's myself. Is that bad? It's yourself. That's me, yeah.
I mean, back to being conceited. I'm just
I
kidding.
like the haircut though. What can I say?
Alright, so we're looking at like kind of here. Is that a little too short? Goes too long. Goes too long? I was like, really?
I'm kidding.
Does that feel okay though?
Yeah.
Alright.
R.I.P.
Doesn't look too dramatic. I feel like this is a good starting point. We can always consider next time.
Before.
Alright.
Wow.
My goodness.
It's gonna look so good. That's so satisfying, like seeing you cut the pieces off. Longer pieces?
Yeah, so like when she tilts down, there's always like a few hidden underneath. And so just getting those evened out.
It's crazy how that works, right?
See those little guys?
Yes. Wow. You look like a different person.
I am. This is the Milabu point 2.
Point 2.0.
2%, 20%. Guys, look at all that hair. That's all my hair. Wow, look at it's Karina's turn.
I hope it took. No, it did.
It definitely did.
It's there. It's just subtle where it's cast out. Okay.
I'm excited to see it. I love that it's not grazing the shoulder.
Yeah.
I just love that little gap right there.
Looks amazing. Look at it.
Look at it. Look at it.
I kind of want to see what it would look like if it was even more
Like shorter or your color,
my color. Yeah.
and then take her right here.
right?
Yeah.
What did you do to your hair?
Do you like it?
Yeah, you're back to short.
Is this really short?
It's not the shortest you had, but
Yeah.
it looks good.
My
It's
heart
very-
is racing so
it's very
hard. Like
blunt.
really?
You could have went shorter.
I think we're gonna go shorter next time.
You went shorter.
Yeah. We're thinking like jaw.
Yeah, that's what you had last time.
Yeah.
Jaw.
Do you love it?
Yeah, it's... Turn around.
Whip it.
Looks good, I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you
I'm
think
sure-
of Karina's hair?
She looks like she's got your hair now, and you went different.
What do you think of her color? She put a peach in it.
Oh yeah, it does look a little...
Isn't it pretty?
Different.
We call it rose gold.
Yeah.
So,
I'm seriously obsessed with this hair color and haircut. I seriously love it so much. It's incredible. I'm back.